mga sisi ko! Welcome back to my channel! Mga sisi ko, super lamig ngayon. Nakita ko, nagyayelo sa labas. So, kaya naka 3 layers ako. Tapos, scarf. Pinulupot ko sa aking ulo. Kasi, hindi ako gumamit ng cup na na-deform kasi yung buho ko. Ay, kapaplansya ko lang masisira. Alam nyo naman. Kahit malamig naligo ko. Araw-araw kong naliligo. May heater naman at saka hot water kaya carry lang. Hindi kaya ako komportable hindi naliligo araw-araw. So ngayon, anong oras na ba? Time check, 7:28 ng umaga sa bansang Bulgaria. Hop, mali. Patayin natin, check natin yung laptop. Okay, naka-open. Okay na yan, magtatrabaho naman ang asawa ko. Lock natin na sisi ko. Double lock tayo. Napatay ko naman yung aircon. Okay. Ayan. Always double lock. Okay. Pakita ko sa inyo mga sisi ko. Ayan, ang labas. Wait lang. Para clear yung buong labas ang nagpapakita ko sa inyo. Makikita nyo naman yan. Kasi lalabas tayo. Yung mga lights pala dito automatic na bumubukas. Yung lights pala dito automatic na bumubukas. Kaso ayan, pundi na. Kailangan na yung palitan. Let's check this. Ayan, pundi din siya. Pero dito hindi pundi. Second floor na tayo. Ay, nakalimutan ko magdala ng gloves. Ayan. Ayan, may copy ng kuryente. Hindi nila inayos. Oh my goodness. Nararamdaman ko na yung lamig. Ang layo pa naman ang parking namin ngayon. Kailangan ko maglakad ng malayo. Oh my goodness. Ito lang ang ayaw ko kapag mahirap lakad sa snow. Nasa may asawa ko. Yeah. Di ba siya tapos maglinis? Pinauna ko na siya. Sabi niya kasi mauna daw siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, mauna ka na. Sabi niya maglilinis pa daw kasi siya ng sasakyan. Tatanggalin niya pa yung snow. Matagal din magtanggal ng snow. Mga sisi ko. Pag naapakan niyo yung snow, malambot. Hindi ko alam kung anong temperatura. Ang alam ko lang nag-snow. Ayun. Ayun yung asawa ko. Hi mga sisi ko. Diyan kami. Kaufland. Kitang-kita dito. Tapos yung bus station. Ayan mga sisi ko, bus station yan. Mali yung nadaanan ko. Kaya na. Dumating na. Pero syempre, sasakay tayo ng sasakyan. Pero dati dyan ako nag-aantay kapag papasok. Tapos na yung asawa ko. Ay na siya. Hi, mahal ko. Thank you for waiting.
You don't have much of a choice.
Yes, you don't have. Madilim pa dito mga sisig ko sa sasakyan. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Naglagay ako ng scarf para makover yung tenga ko at saka yung leg ko. Mamalat pati yung mukha ko. Tapos yung labi ko. Ang sakit-sakit. Alam mo yung parang may singaw ko. Kasi sobrang lamig. Hindi pa rin kaya ng katawan ko yung lamig dito sa bansang Bulgaria. Nag-a-adjust pa rin. Especially yung mga labi ko at saka yung skin ko. Nagpapalat siya. Okay, wait. Pakita ko. Yan. Mahirap din mag-drive kapag ma-snow. For me, kahit di ako nagdadrive, nafe-feel ko. Pero ayaw ko mag-drive. Wala akong sense of direction sa pagmamaneho. Tsaka kung takutin sa pagtawid nga lang sa pedestrian Naabot ako ng siyam-siyam. Alam nyo ba mga sisi ko, pag tatawid ako dito sa pedestrian. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Samahan nyo akong mag-travel sa aking work. Ang hirap tumawid. $108 mahal ko.
I saw you, but I don't have a choice. I need to wait.
Yes. How's your visibility? It's clear? Okay. How about the right side mirror? Right side mirror.
Right side mirror?
Did you see? Me, I cannot.
I can see.
Your eyes is clear. Me, I cannot. It's blurred. Ay, ang mga sisi ko, naglalakad sila. It's good to snow bite na ako, but it's too early.
It's too cold now.
But at least it's good.
No, it's not cold actually. It's only -2.
It's -2?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I didn't know that's -2. I only know it's snowing. I didn't check the temperature. But, mahal ko. This evening, I didn't notice the weather is snowing outside.
But it's nice.
It's nice. Ayan mga sisi ko, tinatahak na natin ang daan. Nakikita nyo for today, we have a light traffic, especially here sa stoplight, which is normal. Pero pag makalampas naman na tayo dito, another stoplight ulit. Diba? Time check 7:38. Morning, in the morning.
I believe we'll be on time again. It's actually not a long drive, only
Ayun.
15.
We're
No,
just
15
early
minutes.
right now. It's 15 minutes.
Perfect. You'll be early, maybe 5 to 10 minutes.
Mhm.
The car, it's more much. Do you need me to buy something later from the supermarket? I don't know
I'm
if I'm
not
going,
sure.
to be honest.
No, no need to buy something, Marco. Let's buy on Saturday.
Maybe I can buy something small, like one chocolate or something. We'll see. I'll check for water. Maybe.
Or maybe, if you're going to buy water, buy me bell pepper, red.
Bell pepper?
Just only one piece. Red and green. And carrots, just only 2 pieces. Don't buy much.
Not by much.
Just 2 pieces. Carrots, 1 pieces. Red pepper and green pepper. We still have chicken. We just need to finish it first. Let's do pico first in, first out. Anything else? Let me think. It's going to the left turn. 83 mga sisi ko. Going to Sapagan Park. Dati ginagamit ko yung 83, yung nakatira po kami sa Shavishte, Boulevard, Bulgaria. Remember, mahal ko, when we live in Shavishte, Boulevard, Bulgaria, I use the 83 bus.
Yeah, I remember. But you used a few buses, not only 83.
Yeah. I remember I traveled 1 hour and 30 minutes. What's that? It's green down.
It's for the pedestrians, I guess? I don't know. No, it's not for pedestrians.
It's green. Late signal. Because down already green.
Do you know what I'll do?
What you gonna do?
I'll probably go there, turn around, and make another turn to see if the line is less. So maybe then I'll stop on the bus stop illegally for, let's say, 20 seconds. But as I said, too many factors. In this particular situation, no way I'm stopping. I'm sorry, Marco.
Okay, I understand.
It's just not safe. It's just not legal. It's not.
Advisable.
It's selfish, you know. It's like you're stopping tens and maybe potentially hundreds of cars for a lot of time.
Okay. Mga sisi ko, nakikita niyo, ang ganda dito. Yung mga puno. Puting-puti. Ay, naglilinis yung mga maintenance. Nililinis na nila, nilalagyan na lang ng salt. They're putting salt, right?
Yeah, unfortunately.
It's not sand. Malapit na tayo mga sisi ko. 3 minutes. Time check 7:51. In the morning.
As I told you, we'll be early.
Yes, we are, as always.
I noticed always. One time I got like there 8:10 or 8:15. It was late because I remember that the traffic was so busy that we basically get 2 kilometers for 25 minutes. It's so slow, especially on the boulevard Queen Ioana near us.
But right now we use the passway.
It's the fast way, Marco, but if there is traffic, it's not a fast way. It all depends on how busy it is.
I use the other door.
Yeah, you want to go under? Okay. Sure.
Here you go mga sisi ko. Yelong-yelo ang aming company, oh. Yung daanan. Nag-yelo.
Should I stop here?
Yeah. Sisig ko, pababa na ako. Ay, pag maritesing pa ako sa asawa ko. So, yan ang mga sisig ko. Bye-bye. Marco, bye-bye. Ayan, nandito na tayo. Nauna ulan. Ay, hindi siya naulan. Okay, so yan lang mga sisi ko. See you in my next vlog. Bye! Ciao!